So this one's a little bit tricky. If you notice here, it says if the density of seawater is 1.025 grams divided by cubic centimeters, that has two units in it, right? It has grams and it has cubic centimeters. And the question is, what is the density in kilograms per cubic meter? So we're going to convert it from grams to kilograms and from cubic centimeters to cubic meters. So we need to do both of these things. First thing that we have in here is how to do the odd conversion of going from cubic centimeters to cubic meters. We know that 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. That's still true. And you can use this trick in B to figure out how to do the cubed part. So since the centimeter is cubed, you have to multiply 100 3 times. So it's like doing this conversion 3 times. 100 times 100 times 100. It's the same as thinking of it as 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters equals 1 meter times 1 meter times 1 meter. This gives us that meters cubed, and because it's 1 times 1 times 1, it's 1 cubic meter equals 100 times 100 times 100, which is 1 million. And then the centimeters are cubed because you have 3 of them. Okay, that's our conversion factor. So to do the problem, we start off with what's given. Now notice that this has the dividing line and then cubic centimeters on the bottom. Instead of having it as, something over 1, because there's 2 units, that's what goes on the bottom. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to convert from grams to kilograms. And if we didn't have this cubic centimeter here, you would know how to do it. So just pretend it's not there. So if we have grams up here, what would we put down here? Yeah, we would put grams. What are we looking for? We're looking for kilograms, so that goes on the top. And you know the conversion factor between these. It's 1 kilogram on the top and then 1,000 grams on the bottom. This causes the grams to cancel out. So now we're left with kilograms, and we still have that cubic centimeter on the bottom. We're not done yet though. Instead of having cubic centimeters, we want cubic meters. So now because this is on the bottom here, we're going to put it on the top so it cancels out. It's kind of like the opposite of what we've been doing, but again, now that we have it on the top and the bottom, it's going to cancel out. On the bottom, we're going to put meters cubed. And now we put our numbers from up here. Now that we have these, we're going to cancel out the centimeters cubed. And now on the top, we have kilograms. And on the bottom, we have meters cubed. So our units are good. All right, now we plug this into our calculator and we multiply everything on the top. So you'll multiply this 1.025 times 1,000,000, get your answer, and then you'll divide it by 1,000. That will give you 1,025 kilograms per cubic meter. If that was a little tricky, the next problem is similar. So try the next problem and then check out the video.